Hi there, in today's video we'll be demonstrating how to change an ink cartridge on an Epson WorkForce Pro WF-5620. When your printer informs you that there is a need to change your cartridges, then following this simple step-by-step will get you back on track with all your printing. So the first step is to open up the front panel. From here it's clearly visible that the cartridges are on the left. As you can see, they've clearly labelled where each cartridge goes. Do make sure when putting cartridges into the machine you do place them in the right bay, otherwise the machine will not recognise the cartridges. The back of the cartridge compartment is spring loaded, so after applying pressure your machine will eject the cartridge, at which point all you do is pull them out. Replacing the cartridges works in pretty much the exact same way. Simply push it in, listen for the click. You can get issues where it will spring or bounce but it's not clicked in. You need to make sure you apply enough pressure, get that click, and then you know that the cartridge has been placed properly. Lastly, all you need to do is close the machine up at the front, making sure it clicks in on both ends, and the machine should be ready to go. I hope you found this video useful. Please do let us know in the comments if you do have any problems. Right, thank you very much. Take care, guys.